Hi, and welcome to this episode of On the Money. We have good news for small businesses this tax time, as the government has implemented a small business company tax rate reduction from 30% to 28.5%. This lower rate also applies to small businesses that are corporate unit trusts and public trading trusts, while the franking credit cap remains unchanged at 30%, even if your clients are eligible for the reduced company tax rate. Keep your eyes peeled for the new look $5 note that began distribution throughout the country on September 1. The new notes showcase a fresh design, along with enhanced security features to impede the circulation of counterfeit notes. Businesses can continue to accept and use the existing $5 note, and in the coming years, we'll also see an evolution of larger denomination notes. Do you use Dropbox within your business? If you do, make sure you're aware of the recent security breach, where almost 60 million users' data was leaked. Users of Dropbox are encouraged to update their passwords as soon as possible, and be on the lookout for unsolicited emails and scams. Does your business deal with card transactions? Bans have recently been implemented on excessive payment surcharging, taking place for large merchants from September 1 this year, and for all other merchants from September 1, 2017. Here are the changes. Limits are now in place for the amount businesses can surcharge customers for use of credit and debit cards. The limit will be linked to the direct costs of the payment method, and surcharges will be considered excessive when they exceed the permitted surcharge amount. It's that time of year again where we lodge our tax returns for the past financial year. Remember, you have until October 31 to complete your tax return. You can either navigate your tax return online using the ATO's MyTax software, or simply speak with us. The Fair Work Commission has implemented changes to the annual leave system under some awards. Changes have been made around cashing out annual leave, taking annual leave in advance, managing large annual leave balances, and payments for annual leave. To learn how these changes will affect you and your business, have a chat with us. The ATO is becoming stricter with the $500 million sharing economy, where companies such as Uber and Airbnb allow hundreds of Australians to use their spare rooms and vehicles as a means for earning extra cash. 2015 saw 20,000 Uber drivers asked to declare their incomes or be audited. And with technology making it easier than ever for the ATO to analyse transaction data, it seems the risk just isn't worth it. Families will also see a change in the family tax benefit. Now, if you're part of a couple and your youngest child is 13 years old or over, you'll no longer be paid the Family Tax Benefit Part B. The change to the payment, which has a maximum rate of up to $4,400 a year, brings the age cutoff for the youngest child down from 18 years. Single parents, grandparents, or great-grandparent carers will not be affected by the changes. That wraps up this episode of On the Money. If you'd like further information about these or other accounting issues, we welcome your call or email. See you next time.